Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to replace the face with another face in FaceApp. Now here, when you open the Face application or FaceApp, this is how the interface will look like. So what here you need to do is, first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the particular photo that I could go ahead and add it. So let's say this is the one. I'm going to make changes with the face. Now, unfortunately, FaceApp used to offer a face swap feature, but it is no longer available. To replace a face with another face app, you'll need to use a different app or online tools, as FaceApp no longer supports this function. So right over here, when you open the Face app, you could actually see the swap option, but if you can go ahead and scroll down at the bottom, you could find no such option anymore. So that means this particular feature has been disabled, as well as there is no longer. So what you need to do is you simply want to go ahead and make sure to change it, or use a different application that might be able to help you out. So other thing what you could also do is you could also go ahead and make sure to adjust it by going to this enhance and all that, or filter section, or maybe cropping it out. That should be able to help you. So you could actually do it. So, and now then you could go ahead and add a different one and try doing it, so you could explore other features as well. And that's the only alternative you could do it at the moment. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.